Well, hello everybody. The DUI guy, can you believe it, is actually back once again. It's been quite some time since I had one of these lives. I hope you all can hear me okay. I don't know if you are or not because I do have this new setup that I've been tweaking and trying to fix. So I'm going to have chat right here on my phone with me and my home setup. Unfortunately, I do not have two monitors, so I'm unable to cross between two of them. Okay, I'm already getting a loud and clear, which is excellent and a great start. Yeah, sorry I haven't been live in so long. It's been very difficult with our move and everything. As you can see, I'm in my home office. I no longer have our office location where I was streaming from. We had to vacate the premises, and we're still working on getting our new building. So even once we do acquire the new building, the tenant still has time to vacate, so they're looking for a new building to settle in themselves, and so we may be remote for a while. And it being COVID again, the resurgence of COVID, whatever the heck is going on, we're just going to be working remotely for now. Which at the end of the day, honestly, I'm not really complaining all that much about. It's just going to be a new experience for everybody involved, and yeah, it has. I've also been traveling. I did a cruise last week. Went to St. Martin, St. Thomas, and they say you go to the Bahamas. I wouldn't. I almost choked my microphone. I wouldn't necessarily call it the Bahamas. It's this little island that is owned by the Royal Caribbean Navy, I guess, and it sucks. It's terrible. It's just, I mean, it's a private island. It's great, but like, there's really not much to do except sit on the beach and shop and eat food. Okay, I mean, you're like literally, you're not really in the Bahamas. You're in the Bahamas, like geographically speaking, but you're not really in the Bahamas. You don't get the full experience of the Bahamas. So, they call it a perfect day at Coco Cay. And let me tell you, if you've never been out of the country, it's a pretty perfect day. But if you have been some places, you've been to like countries like Mexico, you've been to the Dominican Republic, you've been to Bora Bora and French Polynesia, which places I have been myself, and then you end up on this little private island with nothing to do. I mean, it's really not all that exotic. You're just like, okay, this is a piece of land owned by you guys, and whoop-de-frickin-do. Congratulations. I hope you're happy, because I'm not, but I still enjoyed it. I made the best of it. It was just something to do. So myself and my fiance went. So it was nice to spend it. If I was there by myself, I think I would have been bored out of my freaking mind, because there's literally nothing to do. Just sit in the water, eat food, and I don't drink alcohol, so there's. If you're a drinker, maybe that would be something interesting. But if, like myself, if you're not a drinker, there's literally less than nothing to do. So I'm sorry. I'm like I said, I have to do chat from the phone now. I mean, I could have my second computer here for the setup, but I didn't get a chance to do that, and I wanted to go live and get some reaction videos for you guys. So hello, Derek. Hey, Matt, Las Vegas vocalist, welcome. Tracy, good to see you. Tabby, Alfredo, Sky High, Conrad, welcome everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's change this to live chat. We did not get a chance to vote anybody off the island, Conrad. So it wasn't that kind of island. I wish it was. I think it would be a lot more fun. So we did get a chance to snorkel a little bit. We did get a chance to snorkel. That was fun. But other than that, it was really, again, like I said, it was more relaxation than anything else. Now, St. Martin and St. Thomas, we got a chance to do a guided tour, and each one had its own perks. Like the St. Martin tour, we got to learn a lot about the history of the island. But with the St. Thomas, we learned no history, except like maybe one or two tidbits. And we did get to enjoy the beach in the U.S. Virgin Islands in St. Thomas. So that was nice. That was definitely nice. So, hello, Miriam. Greetings from Las Vegas. This is your first time. We're about to do some reaction videos, so brace yourself. Now, I don't know if this is going to work. I hope it is. I've never done a reaction video on this setup just yet, so please bear with me as I adjust. But let's take a look. Let's take a look. So the first video is titled Jessamine County Sheriff Charged with DUI. Now, Jessamine County is actually here in Kentucky, so for all of our local viewers, this is going to hit very close to home. And what I need you guys to do as I adjust here, I'm about to hit play, and I just want to make sure that everybody can hear. This is a short video, 1 minute, 7 seconds, 47 seconds, excuse me. Just a news clip, I imagine. So I'm just going to hit play. Please let me know in the chat with a 1 or an F if you can or cannot hear this video. Here it goes.
Jessamine County Sheriff spent the night in jail after being arrested overnight for DUI.
According to an arrest citation, Sheriff Kevin Corman was seen swerving in an SUV. Nicholasville police officers say that a cup of bourbon was found in Corman's car. Shelby Lofton has more details on the arrest.
Sheriff Kevin Corman spent the night in jail facing the other side of the law.
And we always have to look at this person is the same as anybody else. He's not, he can't go out, he or she cannot go out and do these things and expect any treatment any differently.
Nicholasville police say Corman was cooperative during the sobriety and breathalyzer tests. Following his release, the department says the sheriff feels embarrassed. A spokesperson says he still has a job.
It's not like he's out doing this every night.
This street, Sulphur Well, which runs along Jessamine High School, is where Sheriff Corman was reported seen weaving in and out of the lane.
Yeah, see, the problem is, though, I had muted my microphone. That's what I did. I muted my microphone. And if I do that, then I can't speak during the video. We can't speak during the video. Oh, was I buffering for a second there? Sorry, I'm not reacting to the video yet. I'm just trying to make sure that the setup. It's going to be very annoying. If I have to turn the sound or the microphone on and off. But I guess I could manage it. It shouldn't be. It's just going to be annoying. But stream audio only. Stream audio only. Default speakers. What if I do this? Tell me if there is an echo now.
Lanes. A call was made to Nicholasville police, and the sergeant says he saw Sheriff Corman headed towards downtown.
I didn't know if he was like really struggling with it or it was just like he went to the bar.
According to the sheriff's department, Corman answers to the people who elected him. Folks we talked to in Jessamine County say they think Corman deserves forgiveness.
I don't really think he needs to lose his job, but I do think his license needs to be suspended.
Okay, no echo. Perfect. So I just have to turn off the default speakers. It is not registering that sound. It is simply going from the stream audio and the default microphone.
The department says the sheriff will
face his charges. All right,
like any
let's do this. Let me restart the video and let's get started. sorry to the people that have already been commenting on it. I'm going to do it right now. So this is the sheriff that got arrested for a DUI in Jessamine County here in Kentucky, which is south of Fayette County, south of Lexington. Some of you who are not familiar with the Kentucky counties, that's where Lexington is. South of that is Nicholasville, and Nicholasville is the seat of Jessamine County, and this is where the sheriff got arrested.
The county sheriff spent the night in jail after being arrested overnight for DUI.
According to an arrest citation, Sheriff Kevin Corman was seen swerving in an SUV. Nicholasville police officers say that a cup of bourbon was found in Corman's car. Shelby Lofton
drinking while driving. Wow, impressive.
Sheriff Kevin Corman spent the night in jail, facing the other side of the law.
And we always have to look at this person is the same as anybody else. He's not. He can't go out. He or she cannot go out and do these things and expect any treatment.
Absolutely agree.
Nicholasville police say Corman was cooperative during the sobriety and breathalyzer tests. Following his...
But why? But why? You're a police officer. You know the racket. You know that they're designed for failure. You were trained in them, for God's sake. Oh, I forgot. He's a sheriff. Okay, well, that makes a lot more sense, because sheriffs are not very good at field sobriety. But still, I don't understand. I do not understand what is the purpose, what is the reason, what is the meaning behind... You're a cop, for God's sake. You should know better. Don't do these frickin' tests, man. All right. And don't talk. Yes, thank you, Archangel. Don't talk to the police, especially if you're a cop. You should know better.
Release, the department says the sheriff feels embarrassed. A spokesperson
he feels
says...
embarrassed? Okay, all right.
It's not like he's out doing this every night.
This street, Sulphur
No,
Road,
he did it
which runs
once, and that's
along
enough.
East Jessamine High School, is where Sheriff Forman was reported seen weaving in and out of the lanes. A call was made to Nicholasville police.
I'm glad he didn't hit anybody and cause any injury.
Heading toward downtown.
I didn't know if he was really struggling with it, or it was just like he went to the bar.
According to the Sheriff's Department, Forman answers to the
Driving?
people who elected him. Folks we talked to in Jessamine County say they think Forman deserves forgiveness.
I don't really think he needs to lose his job, but I do think his license needs to be suspended.
Yeah, just like, okay, so why should he be treated like anybody else? He should not get special privileges. He should get suspended or fired, depending on the circumstances. He should definitely have his license suspended. And if he's convicted, obviously that's when he's going to lose his license. But he should also be afforded the right to an attorney and to defend the case. I mean, maybe there are legal holes to be made. I would be more than happy to represent him to see if there is a defense to be made. No matter how guilty you may look on the outside, everybody is entitled to the best defense under the law. No questions asked. No questions asked. Now, it may be morally difficult for some people. I totally understand that. But unfortunately, that is how the law is designed. For better or for worse, I think it's for the better. Some of you may disagree. You're entitled to it. But if he is going to get convicted, he absolutely should get punished for it. Now, while he's being charged, he can get suspended. And if he gets convicted, then maybe that merits a firing. I don't know. Some county sheriffs, especially in Kentucky, we have seen have gotten a second conviction before they're fired. Unfortunately, that's not uncommon.
For us, fair for government.
Police say the sheriff was in his county-issued car at the time.
He could have been in his regular car or the car that has sheriff on it. It doesn't really matter to me one way or another.
The department says the sheriff
this gentleman over here, you guys are right. He's convicting him before he's convicted, and that's not fair. It's called, what is that called? It's called the court of public opinion, right? He's already convicted in the court of public opinion. We don't do the court of public opinion here. We do the court of law. That's what we follow on the DUI Guys channel. So the court of public opinion can suck it and go away. What we are concerned with, if he gets convicted, there should be penalties. And if he complied with the implied consent law, he's not going to lose his license, just like you won't lose your license while the case is pending if it's your first DUI. So he is not going to get special privileges, nor should he get special punishments because of his position. It goes both ways, folks.
Face his charges like any other person would. In Jessamine County, Shelby Lofton, Fox 56 10 o'clock news.
According to the Sheriff's Department, Corman's court date is set for October.
Okay, so he's got court next month. Fantastic. All right. Next video. Oh, by the way, I'm so sorry. I completely forgot to post the link. I've been doing that on
the Jessamine County Sheriff's
on my videos, and in order to do that, I have to turn this off since I now only have one screen, so it's going to be a little difficult, but it's not too difficult. So let me go here. Let me go into videos. Let me go into the live chat. Oh, no. I do not need to hear myself. That's going to make a terrible echo. So this is the link, you guys. This is the link to the video we just watched, okay? And this is the link to the video we are about to watch, okay? So this is video number 2. So both links are back to back. This is video number 2. Let's